I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Bhavika, and for today's video I'm back with another vlog. So today is 16th of February and today is Wednesday. So I'm starting this vlog in the evening time and it's currently 7 p.m. and I think it's quite a decent time for me to start a vlog, because in the morning time I didn't get any time to shoot or to start this vlog, and finally I'm starting this vlog. So I'm going to be continuing this vlog till tomorrow. So basically I'm gonna show you the glimpses of these 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. So I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. And from tomorrow our offline schools are gonna start and I'm excited for it. And the last time we went to school was like when we were having our term 1 board. So after that we didn't actually go to the school, and we were having our online classes till 2 months, and after having online classes for 2 months we will finally be going to the school, and that is something I was waiting for. And my pre-boards are starting from 8th March, that is only few days are left for that, so I might be inactive on YouTube. And also there is 70% of syllabus will come in that pre-board, so I have to prepare for that. So first I'm gonna go to the kitchen, make a coffee for me and for my mom as well, then I'll study for 2 hours and then I'll meet you.
You at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight.
So now it's time for hair oiling, and for that I'm going to use Mama Earth's onion hair oil. So as you all know that onion is a miraculous kitchen ingredient that has been being used for hair fall control traditionally. And this onion hair oil is rich in sulfur, which promotes your hair growth by strengthening and nourishing your hair. They have relaunched a new and improved version of their best-selling onion range. It is not only lightweight and non-sticky, but it also has a very good fragrance. I usually don't like the smell of oils a lot, but this one smells so good. This comes with built-in comb applicator. The built-in comb applicator helps detangle your hair and spread oil evenly onto each strand. It boosts hair growth and reduces 58% of your hair fall. It is suitable for all hair types and is free from harmful chemicals. This oil has redensil, onion seed oil, amla oil and bhringraj oil. I have applied the oil and it feels so lightweighted. So I'll keep it for some time and then I'll wash my hair. So now it's time to go and sleep. So I'm going to sleep and I'll meet you in the morning. Bye.
The next day.
Hi guys, so it's the next day and it's 17th of February and it's currently 6 a.m. So I have to leave for the school at around 8 a.m. and my school is very near to my home, so it will take only 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. So the plans for today is that first I'm going to take a bath and then I'm going to get ready, and after that I'll pack my bag and then I'll leave for school. And last night I did champi on my head, so I also have to wash my hair. So let's start with the work which I need to do today. So yeah, let's go. So first of all I'm going to make my hair and then I'm going to drink some milk, and after that I'll take a bath.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and be.
So that's my uniform, my shirt, my pant, and my eye card, my belt, and my tie. So I'm gonna first take a bath and then I'll get ready. Then I went ahead and took a shower. So I'm using Mama Earth's onion hair shampoo and onion conditioner. This shampoo gives your hair 8 times more detangling and your hair looks more smoother, silkier, shinier and healthier than before. It has 22% more foam still with no sulfates or toxins. This conditioner is dermatologically tested and is free from parabens or silicons. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm done with my shower, and as you can see my hair, it is looking so smooth and frizz-free. I simply love it. So that's my 3-step hair care routine, and Mama Earth's all products are free from parabens and silicons and are natural, and that's the best thing I love about Mama Earth. Mama Earth is a plastic positive Indian brand, and every time you buy from them they will link your order to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 they are planning to plant 1 million trees, which is a very good initiative by them. So you should definitely give these products a try, and if you want to purchase any of their products, so you can use my coupon code Bhavika2022 to get 20% off on your purchase. Their products are available on Amazon, Purple, Nykaa, and even on Mama Earth's official website and app. It also has their own app wherein all the members get access to early sales and great discounts, and it is available for both iOS and Android users. So I'm going to provide the link in my description box so you can check it out. So guys, I'm all ready and I wore my uniform and I'm all set to go to the school. So the only thing I'm left with is that I have to pack my bag. I have to pack all the books and notebooks because I didn't do that last night. So I'm going to be doing it now, and it's currently 7 a.m. So only 1 hour is left. So let's just pack the bag and then I'll go.
Second, I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment, I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're done.
Much later.
So I'm back and I came back home at around 2 p.m. After that I ate my lunch, then I slept for half an hour to 45 minutes, and then I'm here to continue this vlog. So it's currently 5 p.m. and now me and my mom have decided to go to the market because she wants to buy a dress for herself as well as for me. So we'll go to the market and I'm also gonna take you guys along with me. So we'll go to the market and then we'll purchase a dress, and I'm also gonna show you what I got.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you.
So guys, I'm back and this is the dress I got. I think it's quite cool and comfortable at the same time. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you made it till here, then comment these emojis. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.